Hi， 大家好，我是林老师。I am Miss Lin from Taiwan. Thanks for learning Chinese with me. 谢谢你们跟我一起学中文。Today I'm going to teach you 15 phrases used by Taiwanese, and they are going to make you sound like Taiwanese immediately. 如果你还没有看上一集的话，你可以按这里。我们开始吧。第一个，真的，真的 ，It's so true. 真的 actually means real. But here it's an expression. 真的 it's so true. Okay? It's a way of agreeing with others. We use this all the time. It's very common. 中文其实不难，你多练习就好了。中文其实不难，你多练习就好了。Chinese is actually not difficult. You just need to practice more. 真的。真的。第二个，阿哉，阿哉 ，Who knows? This comes from Taiwanese or 闽南话. I only use this with my friends, people I know very well. This is very casual. I say this because I have no answers at all, and maybe nobody has answers. 你觉得疫情什么时候会结束？你觉得疫情什么时候会结束？When do you think the epidemic will come to an end? 阿哉，阿哉。And here's a bonus for you. 疫情 means epidemic situation. You can hear this all the time now on news. 疫情。第三个，随便，随便 ，whatever， 随便。This is also very casual, so be careful. We only say this with friends or people we know very well. However, if you say this too much, it can annoy somebody. So don't say that too often. 你想要吃饭还是吃面？你想要吃饭还是吃面？ Do you want to have rice or noodles? 随便，随便。Or you can use another alternative. 都可以啊，都可以啊，都可以啊。It's up to you. 晚上想吃什么？晚上想吃什么？都可以啊，都可以啊。第五个，哦，是哦，哦，是哦。Oh, right. Oh, is that so? So I use this a lot in a conversation, which shows the other person that yes, I'm listening to you. I'm absorbing all your information. However, this also means you don't really care about what the other person is saying because it's just simply not so important. 最近我变瘦了，皮肤也变好了。最近我变瘦了，皮肤也变好了。哦，是哦。哦，是哦。哦，是哦。第六个，这个我很喜欢用。This is one of my favorite. 感恩，感恩。So 感恩 comes from Taiwanese. 感恩，感恩。When I say 感恩, this is like from the bottom of my heart. I'm so grateful for it. I'm so grateful for your help. 感恩 is a way of saying thank you. The degree is much deeper. 谢谢 is the most common way to say thank you. The degree is probably here.But when you say 感恩 wow, 感恩，感恩，感恩。If somebody helped you fix the computer, and you should say 感恩，感恩，感恩。你的电脑我修好了，你的电脑我修好了。I got your computer fixed. 哦，谢谢你，感恩，谢谢你，感恩。So I use this all the time.A lot of students ask me how to say thanks a lot, thank you so much. I would say use this if you are in Taiwan. 感恩，感恩。第七个，怎么可能？怎么可能？怎么可能？怎么 ？How？ 可能 possible. How is that possible? 我从来没有说过谎。我从来没有说过谎。I have never told lie.怎么可能？怎么可能 ？How is that possible？ 第八个，是不是？是不是 right? I told you so. It is used to say that, you see, I'm right. 你上次推荐的电影好好看。你上次推荐的电影好好看。The movie you recommended last time was awesome. 是不是？是不是？第9，超强，超强。Brilliant, kick-ass. If you are about my age, we usually say this when we see something amazing, when we see someone's performance is excellent, when we see somebody is very skillful, and it shows our admiration. For example, 2 weeks ago, there was a sign language teacher. He could translate Chinese, English, Taiwanese, 3 languages without hesitation.
Amanda Chan, I'm from the BBC. My name is Cindy Su. First of all, thank you so much for holding a press conference each day to inform us of the epidemic development and also to help keep us all safe and healthy. My first question is, Taiwan has only 49 cases so far. It's located so close to mainland China, and there's so much travel between the two sides. Why has Taiwan been so successful at controlling the spread of the virus?
超强，超强！那位手语老师超强，那位手语老师超强。That sign language teacher is brilliant. 第10，你知道吗？你知道吗？ Hey, did you know? 你知道吗？ So this is when we want to grab people's attention. We say, 你知道吗？你知道吗？ It shows your excitement. You want to just break the news to this person. 你知道吗？现在大家都在抢卫生纸。你知道吗？现在大家都在抢卫生纸。Now everyone is fighting for tissues. 抢 originally means to rob. However, here means to fight for something. 第11个，很烂，很烂。It's rubbish. Sucks. Of course, this is very casual. We usually talk about a skill or even a service in a restaurant. For example, 我的英文很烂，我的英文很烂。My English is rubbish. My English sucks. You can also say, 这家餐厅的服务态度很烂。这家餐厅的服务态度很烂。The service of this restaurant sucks. The next 4 words are used to describe feelings, and I use them all the time. 我常常说这些话。第12个，好烦，好烦 ，so annoying. So last time I've talked about why I use 好 instead of 很。好 plus adjective. So this is a way to express our feelings because this comes from you, your perspective. That's why we use 好。好烦，晚上又要加班了。好烦，晚上又要加班了。So annoying, I will have to work overnight again tonight. 加班 work overnight. Or you can use 烦耶，烦耶，烦耶。This is actually adjective plus 耶 and particle. This 耶 shows an instant, a sudden emotion. 烦耶，晚上又要加班了。烦耶，晚上又要加班了。第14个，好讨厌，好讨厌。So annoying, I hate this. 讨厌 means to hate. 又下雨了，好讨厌。又下雨了，好讨厌。It's raining again? So annoying, I hate this. For here I use 又哒哒哒了。which has the meaning of it happens again. However, 好讨厌 can also be a flirtatious way. Okay, when you flirt with the others and you say 好讨厌, it doesn't really mean the other person is annoying. This is just a way of flirting. 不要亲我啦，好讨厌。不要亲我啦，好讨厌。Stop kissing me. It's so embarrassing. So annoying. Last one, 最后一个。好累，好累。So tired. 累 is tired. 好累，昨晚太晚睡了。好累，昨晚太晚睡了。So tired. I went to bed too late last night. Okay, so that's it for today. 那今天就这样。Which one is your favorite sentence? 哪一个句子你最喜欢呢？ Share with me， 告诉我吧。So I hope see you in my next video. 下次见喽，谢谢，拜拜。